Today on our 2018 Toyota Corolla, we're going to be doing a test fit on the Rhino Rack 2500 Series Vortex Aero Roof Rack system using part numbers RRVA118B-2 for the 46-inch long black aluminum crossbars. They're also available in silver with part number RRVA118S-2, part number RRRLKVA, that's for the 2500 Series legs. Finally, part number DK383 for the custom fit kit for the Corolla. This roof rack system is going to be great for carrying your bike racks, kayak carriers, roof boxes, really any accessory you want to put on your roof. It features Aero style bars, which compared to square or round bars, it's going to be a lot quieter and you don't need a fairing. The end caps are removable, allowing you to use T-track accessories. Now if you like, you can add more security to your end caps. You can pick up some Rhino Rack locking cores, and you can find those right here at eTrailer.com. This roof rack system is custom designed to fit your Corolla with the included fit hooks. Now we'll give you some clearance measurements. From the roof to the underside of the crossbar is about 3 inches. From the roof to the top of the crossbar is about 4.5 inches. Now that we've gone over the features, I'll go ahead and show you how to get it installed. We've already got the front one installed. The rear one installs the same. Let's go ahead and show you that now. I've got one Footpack assembled and ready to go. Let's do the other one together. We'll first grab our Footpack. I'm going to unlock it so I can remove the cap here. We'll set that aside for now. We'll remove the bolt here. Then we'll grab our hook, set it in place over the hole, and then re-thread in the bolt. Now we're not going to tighten this down all the way, just get it loosely installed. Then we'll take our pad, and you'll notice that there's a little arrow on top of it. We want to make sure that that's facing towards our clamp. And that simply just presses and fits in place. Now we're ready to install it onto our crossbar. Let's go ahead and remove our end cap. Now our Footpacks do come pre-assembled with the square nut already installed. We'll want to make sure we've got it loosened up enough to where we can slide this onto the channel underneath. And that's going to be right here. Just slide that on. And then since we're here, let's go ahead and replace that end cap. Now we need to set the position of our Footpack. So we can flip it over, and what you would do was take your included measurement strip, locate your measurement in your instructions, cut it to fit, and then reinsert it into the slot here, and then that's where your Footpack needs to be set. For demonstration purposes, we will not be doing that. We're going to measure it manually. Once you've got it set, you can take your included tool and then tighten it down. Now there's no reason to over tighten. What you want to do is just flatten out that lock washer. Now we're ready to set it in place on our Corolla. Want to be sure both doors are opened up, and we'll set it in the general area. How we got our front crossbar set up is we took a measurement from the door and measured to the center, per our instructions. Now we need to take a measurement from the center to the center of the rear crossbar. And you can find this in your instructions. Repeat this process on both sides, and then we can begin tightening it down. Now one thing we need to be sure of is that the pad is sitting on the lip here correctly on both sides. Now we can begin tightening it down. Now I'm not going to tighten it down all the way just yet. What I'm doing is drawing up that fit hook until it makes contact with the inside of the door. And I'm going to do that for both sides. With both sides making contact, now we can begin tightening them both down. Now we still want to alternate sides. So I'm going to turn a few times here and then move on to the other side. When you finally get it to where it's going to be completely tight on both sides, the unique tool will straighten out, telling you that it is properly torqued down. You'll see it here as I turn. It goes from being curved to being straight. Our last step is to put on our covers. With everything installed, now we can load up our favorite accessories and hit the road. And that's going to complete our test fit of the Rhino Rack 2500 Series Vortex Aero Roof Rack System on our 2018 Toyota. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.